Hi, this is Bill. What I would like to discuss with you is how you could improve the employee productivity using the ServiceNow Employee Center. So right now, as I navigate to the right, to the top right, you will see I'm logged in as an employee, and this is Storm at the moment. And as I land to the portal of Employee Center, it gives me the ability to access the different services or the different departments. So a good example here is HR. So I have the capability to ask or navigate to information like compensation, retirement, and moving into IT, any IT services that I'll be needing, or probably any policies that I would need to understand. Or if I have a question, I could navigate easily to the community. So centrally, the Employee Center consolidates all the applications into a single point of glass, allowing me to just familiarize into a single platform. And ServiceNow is protecting the investment of companies into a single point of view. And as you navigate to the right, as you can see, there are any interruptions or news that needs to be informed, and easily as you click, you could navigate on how simple or the steps a password change needs to be done, or the information that allows for change password implementation. And it gives you the ability to search. So AI of ServiceNow gives you the capability of history of searches. And for example, if you would like to access a particular application, and you could create a request using ServiceNow and have the necessary information or the forms that needs to filled out, or the prerequisites in making sure that your request will be fulfilled. And as you navigate and submit this request, ServiceNow also gives you that experience of what will be the next step or the stages shortly that will be shown here. And as you can see on the right, is it going to be approved at what step as it at? So it gives or removes the vagueness from the employee's standpoint, and they could manage their time and productivity accordingly to their daily, weekly, or monthly tasks. So as we navigate to the homepage, as the request has moved forward for Storm on this instance, he could basically see the most frequent news, the topics centrally, and it also informs him about the company assets that he has. So if there's any issue that he would like to report, easily he could create a ticket out of his existing assets that is deployed to him, and he could have direct links to the applications he is also working with. So for simplicity, it is a one-stop shop that gives him the ability to be more productive, and instead of like moving back and forth between applications and solutions for automation, ServiceNow provides the capability into a single page where he could do all his work and centrally monitor his activities. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.